Hey there! As you might know, for the past month I have been working on an espionage-style game now titled Strike of Deception, SOD for short. This game will have random level generation, and I have managed to implement a very basic system for this. In today's video, I want to explain how this system works. The game's main objective is to steal some secret documents from the enemy's base. A run is split into two sections, a part where you are trying to get to said documents, dodging traps and trying not to alert the guards in the facility, and a part where you are trying to escape the facility with the documents, which is more like a bullet hell style game. But now, let's discuss how the random level generation works. Each section is divided into 4 stages. There are 8 possible stages for the game to choose from per section. Each stage can be repeated in a section, but the game makes sure that 2 stages next to each other cannot be the same. The layout of a single stage always stays the same, but there can be some variation because the traps are randomized in most places, except in those where it would be near impossible to complete the stage with a certain trap. So, in short, that's how the random levels will work in Strike of Deception. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and consider supporting me on Patreon. It helps a ton. Oh, and sorry for my poor drawing skills. Goodbye, and take care.